BirdDog Studio converts any camera to Pure NDI with tally and power over Ethernet. This week's Videoguys Product Spotlight features BirdDog Studio NDI, NDI made simple, for just $895. Convert your baseband SDI or HDMI to Pure NDI and take full advantage of flexible IP networks. No need to run long SDI cables or purchase expensive video routers. Simply access your live video in real time anywhere on your network. Near zero latency is ideal for mixing multiple cameras in a studio environment. No worries about audio drift or sync issues. BirdDog Studio does tally light the right way. This NDI encoder can display tally onboard and externally via tally out. With Pure NDI integration, BirdDog provides both program and preview tally indicators. BirdDog also has all your bases covered when it comes to power. BirdDog Studio can accept power input from the Ethernet cable via PoE or can be powered by the included DC adapter or any V-Gold mount battery plate. You can control and configure multiple BirdDog Studio devices through the easy-to-use admin panel, which you can access via any web browser on both a desktop or mobile device. Studio NDI is the only NDI encoder offering SDI to HDMI and HDMI to SDI cross-conversion, adding more flexibility to your workflow. BirdDog Studio NDI encoder lets you get high quality and reliable video over IP and is a valuable tool in any production workflow. For more information on BirdDog Studio NDI, give us a call at 800-323-2325 or check us out at videoguys.com.
Videoguys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.